Minimalism looks modern. White walls, clean desks, simple wardrobes. But its roots are much older. Minimalism is not just an aesthetic, it's a response to excess. In ancient philosophy, the Stoics in Greece and Rome argued that happiness comes from self-control, not possessions. In many religious traditions, including early Islamic teachings, simplicity was a virtue. The Prophet, a middle-aged Arab man, beard, average build, lived modestly despite wealth. Minimalism, in this sense, was moral before it was visual. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution. Mass production made goods cheaper and more available. By the 20th century, consumer culture exploded. Advertising told people that identity could be bought. Sociologist Thorstein Veblen called this conspicuous consumption, buying not for need, but for status. In the 1960s, minimalism appeared in art and architecture as a reaction against complexity. Clean lines, functional design, less is more. Later, in the 21st century, minimalism re-emerged as a lifestyle movement. Faced with debt, burnout, and digital overload, many people began decluttering homes and schedules. Sociologically, minimalism reflects late modern anxiety. Zygmunt Bauman described our era as liquid modernity, where everything feels unstable: jobs, relationships, identity. In such a world, owning less can feel like regaining control. Minimalism becomes a strategy for psychological stability. Critics argue that modern minimalism can become a privilege. Pierre Bourdieu would remind us that even simple taste reflects social class. Minimalist homes often require financial security to maintain. What looks like freedom from consumption can become a new aesthetic of status. Globally, minimalism also looks different. In Japan, Zen traditions influenced simple living long before Instagram trends. In Scandinavian countries, functional design reflects social democratic values of equality and practicality. In Muslim thought, scholars like Malik Benabi emphasized avoiding material obsession. So what is the future of minimalism? As climate change and economic inequality intensify, minimalism may shift from lifestyle choice to necessity. Sustainability movements already connect minimalism to environmental responsibility. The future may demand collective minimalism. Societies consuming less, not just individuals. Minimalism began as philosophy, became art, turned into a trend. Its future depends on whether it remains aesthetic or becomes ethical. Is minimalism freedom from things, or a new way of defining who we are? Like, share, and subscribe for more sociological explorations of culture, identity, and modern life.